Imagine if after the first day you purchased a home, its value dropped by 20% and then continued to drop every single day. That's exactly what happens when you buy a car. For 100 years, people have bought cars that dwindle in value by the day and rack up thousands of dollars in crushing debt. There's never been a better alternative. Until now. Flexcar is completely reimagining car ownership. You can drive what you want, when you want. Switch cars with the seasons, or stick with your favorite ride year-round. All while paying less than a monthly car loan. No down payment, no debt. That's the freedom of Flexcar. The world's first ever month-to-month car lease. Once you flex, you'll never buy a car again.